There's a knock at the door. Who's here? Oh my gosh.
Get low when the whistle go.
What's up, YouTube? It's another awesome week. I'm down here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we are going to a technical college to do some demos on some professional welding tools. And then after that, we're headed up to Louisville, Kentucky. It's about a 3-hour, 50-minute drive. And we are going to be working the National Farm Expo with one of our partners called Welder Supply of Louisville. And we'll be there from Wednesday to Saturday, demoing all the professional welding tools. So it's going to be a sweet week. I'm going to show you what they have at this farm show, also the school that we're going to today, and I'm going to introduce you to the AccuPocket King, and stick around. Don't leave. See ya.
Pushing, it does better pushing than pulling, it seems like.
Okay, so 0.
Yeah, makes a big difference. Right there's good.
Right there's 5. That's 10.
Go back to 5.
Okay. Alright, so 5 inductance in manual mode.
Yes, it'd get a whole lot better.
See how nice and soft that is?
Yeah. Yeah, this is where you would have to play with your inductance, is in manual mode because it's not preset. I told you I'd introduce you to the AccuPocket King, and here he is.
Hey,
Pudge from F&M AFCO. So why do we call you the AccuPocket King?
I've sold quite a few of them.
Yeah,
There's
probably
one in the back of my truck right now.
He has one in the back of the
go
truck.
anywhere without it.
Yeah, this guy literally knows the machine better than me, and he carries around a service tool to where he can show customers like the lifetime and the status of the batteries and how long they weld and everything. So if you ever see this guy, he knows that machine in and out. Well, I made it here. It was a struggle to get to my door, so I had to get to W5. I found it, I'm parked, it's raining. Let's go and see if we can find the booth. I think I found the booth. There's Pete, what's going on? You're all finally set up for the show, starting tomorrow at 9 a.m. until Saturday at 5 p.m. And I got the Fronius crew with me. Say hi. How's it going? Hola. Hola. All right. So what machines do we have set up? What are we going to be showing for the next 4 days?
Right now we have 2 trans steels. We're just going to be showing mild steel as well as aluminum, and we also have our AccuPocket, which is our battery-powered welder. So you can run stick and TIG on those as well. With trans steel, you can run stick, TIG, and MIG. So quite a variety.
All right, cool. How long did it take to set up this booth? It's looking professional, don't you think? Just
Yeah.
like the professional welding tools.
Didn't take too long to set up. I would say probably about 10 minutes or so. But yeah, everything's looking pretty good. So I started looking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so finally I got Scott. You talk, man.
Mag switch. Hey, we got a student from Ohio here at the farm show. He's trying out the battery-powered AccuPocket 150 for the first time. So where are you from?
From Shawkey, Ohio. Shawkey Mechanics Associates Senior Welding Program.
Nice. So, young generation, getting in the welding industry. It's awesome. So he's trying out the Fronius AccuPocket for the first time. You ready? Yep. Running the AccuPocket 150 off battery mode, you can get about 17 to 23 32 electrodes and about 7 to 10 1/8-inch electrodes in a single charge. Sweet. So when we're traveling on the road, we don't just work, we have fun. And we decided to buy tractor pull tickets. So we got the crew, we got Nick, Ben, and Eric, aka Brad. And we're gonna go scope this out. I've never been to a tractor pull, so it should be pretty cool.
My first one too.
All right, so we got 2 newbies popping their cherry. Ooh, 3. What about you?
I've been to some.
Okay, all right, we're going inside.
Quite a few tractor pulls.
So stick around. We're gonna show you what's going on at the tractor pulls.
All I'm gonna do is this right here.
Boom. That easy.
There you go. You want one, Jen?
It's made in Great Britain, sir, not China. I have nothing cheap. Farmers do not want cheap.
We are going to be welding with 60 thousandths A36 steel out of position vertical up, but I'm going to turn this Transsteel 2200 to our spot welding mode, and you can see it's indicated there. And you press the menu button, you can set how long the arc stays off for. So I'm going to set to 0.4 seconds and my timer on to 0.6 seconds. With the spot mode timer, especially running full length fillet welds, you're probably going to be around 3/16 and below to make sure you get adequate penetration, but I'm just running straight uphill. Arc shuts off, turns on, arc shuts off, turns on. But I'm going to speed this up so you can see what the weld looks like. And let's get this camera in focus. Here you go. There you go. The extra arc on time wetted out the puddle. Whoop, whoop.
This is actually still running.
Nice, man.
Yeah,
This is a display for our mag drill disruptor 30.
Trip toggle the rescue. Want the welds just straight right here?
Yeah, straight down.
No, it's still warm. I didn't want it to burn, so
Yeah. I see what you're doing. We have welder supply peeps. What's up, Brian? And we have the local guy, welding with the Transsteel 2200. Look at that. Welder supply, laying it down. Friday, everybody, and I'm with David Blackburn from Welder Supply of Louisville. So what is one reason why customers should stop in a Welder Supply?
The multitude of knowledge. We have 9 salesmen on paid staff, more than anybody else in town. Have knowledge all the way from abrasives through material cutting, to machining, to welding.
Perfect, perfect. How long have you been at Welder Supply?
I work for a former company that General Welding purchased. I've been in the industry 22 years. Welder Supply purchased us in 2013.
Got it. Perfect. Yeah, so if you're interested in checking out any new distribution or just stopping at Welder Supply, make sure you get a hold of this guy right here or just walk into a storefront. Well, everybody, I finished up the farm show down in Louisville, Kentucky, and it was awesome. That show was amazing. It's packed full. I'm surprised there's that many people. 300,000 people. There's some times where we're like crammed in the aisleway like this, like in a tuna can. But it was a good event, and I'm wore out. It's Friday about 8:30, and remember, if you're down in the Louisville, Kentucky area, check out Welder Supply. You know, they got some good things going on. But anyways, on my next video, we are taking a trip with the fam. I'm down here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and my family's driving down from Michigan right now. And we are surprising the kids because we are taking them to, dun dun dun, Disney World. They have no idea that we're going. And they think they're coming down here to Indianapolis just to see me because I'm not coming home this weekend for work. And we're really surprising them because we're flying to Orlando and we're taking them to Disney World. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna film the whole thing. So if you wanna watch my next video, go for it. If you don't wanna watch it, don't watch it. It's all good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click the notification button so you can see future content, and give me a thumbs up because it's cool. See ya. There's a knock at the door. Who's here? Oh my gosh. Hola! What's up? Are you excited? Did you guys come visit me because I've been working a lot?
Yeah.
Are you pumped?
Where's our bed?
Oh,
Where's our bed?
I don't know. Go look. Who's pumped?
Our bed.
Oh, dude. Check it out. Yeah. How long was your drive?
Yeah.
How long was it?
They don't even know. They're playing games.
Nothing better than a ooh. Nothing better, right? Did you guys miss me?
Yeah. We can jump over the bed.
All right. How was the drive?
Wasn't bad.
All right.
They were good.
Good. Who's hungry?
How far it was.
I'm hungry. You hungry?
Stay here.
Ooh. All right.
Yes, stay